One of the things that CERN is famous for is ludicrous stories that it might destroy Switzerland or something like that, even destroy the planet. It is utter drivel, and it was quite surprising for most scientists, because where did that come from? But what's interesting is, in the spirit of Richard Feynman, again, science is not about opinions, it's not about arguments from authority. You have to do experiments. So you might say, well, what experiment could you do to work out whether colliding particles at these energies could destroy countries or machines or even planets or universes? What could you possibly do? Well, it's interesting that nature has been doing this experiment for the whole history of the planet. This is the only graph I want to show you, but it's a graph of particles called cosmic rays hitting the Earth. Now, cosmic rays are constantly hitting the Earth. They're subatomic particles like the protons in the LHC, and they bombard the Earth with energies far in excess of anything we can generate at the Large Hadron Collider. In fact, on this graph, all these collisions here, these are measured cosmic rays smashing into the atmosphere. All of these have energies bigger than the LHC. And this is actually a plot called the logarithmic plot. So each bit goes up by a factor of 10. So those ones there have an energy, these ones have an energy 100 times those. These ones 100 times those. These ones 100 times those. So these up here, particles bombarding the Earth with energies many millions of times the energies we collide particles with at the LHC. Many more of them have hit the Earth in the history of the Earth than we'll ever collide at the LHC. And of course, the Earth is still here. So this is a beautiful demonstration. It's interesting science in itself, because we don't know where some of those very high energy particles come from in space. We don't know the mechanism that accelerates them to these immense energies. But we do know, because we measure them, that they bombard the Earth all the time. And of course, we know the Earth is still here. So there's a beautiful experiment to tell us that particle physics is a safe thing to do.